exchanges sessions. We have the provision of counseling to walk in as well as yung mga clients talaga na nasa area. We also refer cases, especially WEDCs, or the women especially difficult circumstances. We also provide the financial assistance to these disadvantaged women, as well as the conduct of gender sensitivity trainings, and also the women participation and empowerment through the Women's Month celebration and the anti-BAW campaign na mga activities. Also, we provide psychosocial interventions to gender-based cases.
Ma'am, yung target, paano nyo sinegregate by province?
Sa province po galing, sir, yung mga targets na.
Hindi nga, paano nga sinegregate?
According po sa number of direct service workers we have per province.
Paano? Halimbawa, example tayo, actual. Halimbawa, Sulu, ilan? Kasi ilan?
So, may we ask our provincial offices, please?
Sige ma'am. Kasi, ikaw muna, bago sa kanila, yung target muna. Kasi target dapat region muna yun. Hindi naman.
So, yung target po natin dito, sir, yung target is 29.
Hindi, baliktad. 64 kayo doon. 64,000.
Ay, baliktad din. Kasi based on the services.
Sa services po ito, sir, na na-provide namin.
Ito, yung pangkabuuan na.
Hindi, kaya nga. 64,440 annual target. Diba? Ang pinag-usapan natin, Women Welfare Program, the annual target is 64,440. Because ang accomplishment, 48%, equivalent to 31,030. Ngayon, ang tanong ko, ang segregation ng target, segregation ng accomplishment by family. Di ba pwede ka na naman mag-conduct ka ng session on BAUSI, on something. Ito ang participants by family. Meron man na attendance.
Yes, sir.
Rate numero lang.
May hindi ko sa STM, kita namin sa execution. By province, sa web structure. Sa province 1. 5, 6,
Planning, Ma'am Jen, makakagin din natin dahil yata tayo before that every target natin, may 30% of that dapat women.
Yes, ma'am.
So, ganun yung ating targeting. Kaya itong pag-determine natin ang number of women per province ay based on the 30%.
MFO, pwede ba? Ano yan? Itong target nyo based sa MFO, balikan ko muna. MFO nyo, balikan ka MFO. Para lang klaro tayo.
Based on the MFO ngayon, 64.
Sir, kasi in every target sa buong probinsya, dapat meron kami 30% of that target ng women. So, ganun po yung pag-determine ng per province sa targeting nila ng women to be catered under this program. So, as to segregation again of special and regular, yun po yung hindi malinaw. Not so clear with us.
Sa ano rin po, ma'am, yung very minimal din po ang budget ng Women's Welfare Program. Nasa 2 million plus lang po.
The whole year.
The whole year po yan, ma'am.
So, in addition to that, this pertains to planning, again, planning, targeting, and implementation of your targets. If you look at it in its entirety, Women Welfare Program, nag-target kayo ng 64,440. Pero ang actual number is 30. So, mababa ang accomplishment, 48%. If you're going to lump it all, negative yung tingin natin dito. Kasi ba't hindi kayo naka-accomplish ng marami? Pero on the other hand, if you have less number of women in difficult situations, less number of women who are victims of violence, that's a good thing. ibig sabihin, mababa ngayon. Kapag mababa, nasa accomplishment, mababa yung number of victims of housing o women in difficult situations, mas mababa sila. So, mas okay yung accomplishment yun. So, kaya dapat iba ang indicator pagdating doon. You cannot lump it in one. Kasi if you're going to lump it that way, hindi yun isa-segregate. Negative yun. Dapat iba ang indicator. You're not going to target high. Ang target ninyo ay hindi paramihin ang biktima ng violence. Ang target is to reduce. So you have to have a different set of indicators na na-decrease siya by percentage. Now, if you look, yun yung sinasabi nga ni Kapsek, yung passive, no? Kasi you cannot control the number of victims of violence na pupunta sa DSWD. They just arrive, they just come and you provide services. Pero ang target is to lessen that. How do you lessen? By percentage. Yung ganda, capacity building, advocacy, pupunta sa grassroots, kung sabi mga babae, mga husbands nila,